A job you usually get if you only go to maybe high school. A career if you go to college. You have more fun. You get to do something you like, do something you love. So, you see the fire truck? Everybody thinks I'm a firefighter. I'm not a firefighter. I don't have the guts to run into a burning building. Firefighters are very brave. Why do they run into burning buildings? They want to save lives. Right. So my career is removing bees. Why would somebody call me to remove a beehive? Hold on, I talked to you earlier. How about you? What do you think? Why would somebody call me to remove a beehive? You just raise your hand because you heard somebody raise your hand? You heard somebody say raise your hand? Okay, what do you think? They don't want to get stung by the bees. So, removing a beehive then becomes a safety issue. We want to make sure that people are safe when we're removing a beehive. So I wear this. This is, what's this? A bee.
A bee coat!
It's a bee suit. A bee coat! It's a bee suit! And I put it on like this. This stinky, sweaty, smelly, safe suit. That's called alliteration. You'll learn about that later. Alright. And now I zip it all up. And I put my gloves on. My pretend gloves. And now I'm safe. The bees can't sting me. Who has one of these at home?
Are you serious? You guys have these at home?